My dear children, as we have finished our chapter, today I am going to take a new topic, that is grammar, Varna Vichhed. This word is new for you all. I will teach. All of you listen carefully. It's very simple. After that you write down, okay? First you listen. So, the heading is Varna Vichhed. Varna Vichhed. Children, Varna means Akshar. Varna means Akshar. Akshar means letter. Vichhed means separate. Akshar, letter. Varna means Akshar, letter. As you all studied, vowels and consonants. Vowels are two. We call vowels to a. A, I, U, R, A, O, and A. These are the vowels. And next is consonants. Consonants means K to H. K, K, G, G, Ng. Ch, Ch, J, J, Ny. T, Th, D, D, N. T, Th, D, Th, N. P, F, B, B, M. Y, R, L, V, Sh, Sh, S, H. All these are called consonants. That is, this is Swar, Swarakshar, and this is Vyanjan. This you all know, isn't it? Now, all the letters, all the Vyanjanakshars, all means her to, K to her, all these letters are mixed with vowels. See, Swar plus Vyanjan makes Matraye. When we mix up Swar in Vyanjanakshar, it will become Matraye. For example, Ka Vyanjanakshar, I am adding A Swar. A is a Swarakshar. When I add A Swarakshar with Ka Vyanjanakshar, we get Matra. See. Ka plus A Swar, it became a Matra. See. A became a line, which we call Aki Matra. Like that, from A to A, all are Matras, isn't it? Another example, K plus E. How we will write? This E will become E ki Matra, Choti E ki Matra. Ki. Understood? So here you have to study Varna Vichhed, means you have to separate Swar from Vyanjanakshar. swar from Vyanjanakshar. You have to separate swar from Vyanjanakshar. For example, this is a word desh. The which swar is mixed here? The plus a swar is there. If there is no matra, it means that that letter is having a ki matra. Okay? Not a. A ki matra. The. And next is in here, not a ki matra. See children, here the which matra? They. It is given as they. Means the plus which matra is this? Which letter is this? Which swar? A swar. बन गया ना दे. The plus a they. Sh. Sh means no matra. Here no matra, but sound is there, swar is there. Sh plus a. If any matra is not there, it means that in a Vyanjanakshar there is swar, and that swar is a ki matra. Sh. See, became no desh. And the question is Varna Vichhed means we have to separate Swarakshar from Vyanjanakshar. We have to separate this swar from this letter. Okay. First I will write the word Sagar. First the word is Sagar. You have to separate swar from this given word. Okay. Sa. Which swarakshar is there in sa? When we separate swar from any Vyanjanakshar, that Vyanjanakshar will become half. Sa, it shows the letter is half. Sa. A ki matra. Sa. See. We separated the matra Swarakshar from Vyanjanakshar. You have to separate swar from Vyanjanakshar. First one is sa. Next is ga. Ga. Ga में कोई मात्रा है नहीं, तो इसका मतलब है अ. ग प्लस र. सेम. र प्लस अ. You have to put halant only in Vyanjanakshar, not Swarakshar. Swarakshar we separated. Sagar. Sa-ga-r. Sagar. In this way, you have to separate from the words, which is called Varna Vichhed. This form is called Varna Vichhed. Next is dhoti. Next word is dhoti. How we will write dhoti? Dho. Which sound is, which swar is here? Dha plus O ki matra. Dho. Dha plus O plus T. The half plus E. बन गया ना धोती. Like this you have to separate Swarakshar from the word, given word. Okay. Next is Prasiddh. Next word is Prasiddh. Here you have to understand that if you are getting a samyuktakshar, samyukt vyanjanakshar, then what you have to do? How you will split the letter? See, first letter is pra, and children, you know that pra is made up of, it's a mixing of pa plus ra is pra. Pa plus ra is pra. And which swarakshar is, swar is there? Pra means no matra there. Next, C. Sa plus choti e plus again samyuktakshar came idha. So we have to write the plus the, then it's swar. Ki matra. You should not write separate this letter, okay? The plus the plus like that you should not write. If it is a samyuktakshar, in Malayalam we say kutaksharangal. In samyuktakshar, you have to write first these two the two samyuktakshar together. After that, it's swar. Okay, children. Next is tirthasthan. Balak. Next word is balak. How we will write balak? Ba plus a, ba plus la plus a, k. Balak. Now you understood how to write this. Next is dharmik. Next word is dharmik. See here, ref is coming. This is called ref. Dha. Dha plus a, dha. Dhar plus ir. Dhar plus ma plus e. Dharmik. Dharmik. Now you understood how to split. If ref is coming means you have to add with the first letter itself. It is dharmik. Dharmik. You should not write any swar from this ir. Ir we call as, in Hindi we call ref. Its name is ref. This ref. Okay, children? If ref is coming means you have to write ra only. No need to write any swar from this r. Okay? Now all of you understood now what is Varna Vichhed? If you didn't understand, you can ask. Okay, children? Next, you have to write down this. Okay? Next, you take your copy book. We will write copy. Copyright the heading Sulek. Heading is Sulek. Copywriting, okay? Any simple sentence I will give. Now Lincoln स्वयं खेल रहा था. खेल रहा था. This you have to write one page. Okay, children? This is today's Sulek. Okay? Now Lincoln स्वयं खेल रहा था. Now Lincoln स्वयं खेल रहा था. Write this. Okay? This you write in one page. Next. लिंकन ने आधी नदी पार की. आधी नदी पार की. लिंकन ने आधी नदी पार की. See the pronunciation. लिंकन ने आधी means half. नदी river. See the dhavarg. Tavarg see. Ta tha da dha dha. आधी नदी पार की. Okay, children? I hope you all understood Varna Vichhed. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, children? Thank you. Namaskar.